In recent days there has been a lot of news about the possible downing of a Russian Tu-22M3 Backfire strategic bomber by a Ukrainian Hanud missile. However, because the Ukrainian side was unable to provide evidence of this action, and the Russian side did not comment, the news of the crash of the swing-wing bomber is still doubted by some groups. Even so, was it actually possible for the Tu-22 to be shot down? Even though the Tu-22 launched attacks from Russian airspace. Forbes.com said that it was very possible that the Tu-22 was shot down by a Ukrainian Hanud system. But it's definitely not easy. Ukrainian sources claim one of the Soviet-era twin-engine swing-wing bombers disappeared from Ukrainian radar range in Kursk, 100 miles from Russia's border with Ukraine, after launching an air-to-surface missile attack last Friday. If Ukraine did target the Tu-22 in the air, then realistically there is only one surface-to-air missile system that could do so, namely the Soviet-era S-200, NATO codename SA-5 Gammon. Soviet industry developed the S-200 in the 1960s to defend cities and military bases from potential attacks by United States bombers. It was a huge weapon. The S-200 Hanud system consists of V-860 and V-880 missiles, which are more than 9 meters long and weigh 8 tons when launched. The S-200 battery launcher moved slowly, along with the Tall King and Square Pair radars on the heavy tractor trailer. The Tall King radar detects targets hundreds of miles away. Square Pair locks on the target and sends a signal to direct the missile to the target. The V-860-880 Frag-He's 217 kg warhead can scatter tens of thousands of ball bearings in a deadly cloud. In the air defense role, the S-200 should have no problem hitting targets as high as 40 km and as far away as 305 km. Under ideal conditions, the missile might be able to reach a distance of 346 km. This distance is 100 miles farther than the best Patriot PAC-2 missiles made in the United States that Ukraine currently has.